Hi there! Have you ever wondered what accessories that you need for your hot tub to make it the absolute best experience that you could possibly have, and maybe even protect it a little bit? Stay tuned and I'll give you all the deets on the stuff you need for your hot tub. Hey hot tubbers, it's Jackie the Hot Tub Lady, and I'm super excited you're here because the goal on this channel is to make you a happy hot tub owner. Today I'm going to talk about everything that you need for accessories to make your hot tub the absolute best experience that it can be. And my number one, before we get into that, just a few details about this video. All these things can be purchased on Amazon. I am an affiliate, so I do get a little commission for that, but I will number each one of these so that they're easy for you to find down below in the description, and I also do a timestamp as well. My number one thing is the Storm Shell Outdoor TV Enclosure. For us, this was an absolute game changer. I can tell you that my husband Frank will use the hot tub 70% more than he was before. And you guys know me, you know I love to use my hot tub. I use it all the time. He uses it quite a bit, but it's kind of a struggle to get him in there, and he's usually in and out 10-15 minutes and he's good, and then he moves on. This Storm Shell TV spa enclosure, I will put a picture right over here so you can see it, and I'm also going to put a little video of Frank using it. It's so simple to use. It was a little bit of a booger to get hung up on the wall, but once we got it hung up on the wall, it's fantastic. Never have to worry about it. I live in South Dakota. It's cold, it's freezing, and you know, we just got to fix that. So we hung this TV up, and I did buy a really inexpensive TV because I wanted to see how this actually worked. I'll put a link, but both the Storm Shell and the TV that I purchased out there, we did hook up to cable because it's really important at our house that you just press the button and everything works. We don't do the streaming and that type of thing, which I do watch a lot of YouTube videos out there, but Frank prefers to hit okay, and we're good to go. We did talk to the cable company, we talked to the electrician, we talked to a few people, and they said, hey, if the TV's in this box and it's not going to get wet, it'll be totally fine and it can handle this. I'll be interested to see how it does in the summer when it gets super hot, but so far in the winter it was fantastic. It did a super good job. Frank loves to watch his sports, so we watch his sports out there in the TV. Now with our TV, I did the smaller one just because we're not too far away from it, and I'll show a video here of us in the hot tub, and then we got the TV off in the background. We're probably 15 feet from the hot tub, and I'll tell you, it's perfect. The sounds is great. Everything is absolutely awesome on it. We can hear it. We can hear it over the jets. We watch movies. We watch sports. It's a really, really good thing. And in my personal opinion, it has improved the investment in my hot tub because we are now spending more time in it. So I do highly, highly recommend this. I'm bringing up my iPad and I'm bringing up stuff as we do. The number two thing is the Echo Dot 2nd generation. So I currently have the Echo Tap is what I have. And for music, for me, it is the absolute best thing. I actually have speakers on my hot tub, but I actually prefer to take that Echo Tap outside. I talk to it, I say her name, she then plays the music. I don't have to get my wet hands on it or do any of that stuff. And the sound is incredible. It sounds amazing. I actually set it on a little table beside the hot tub so it's not on the edge so somebody can actually knock it in. But what I found for you guys, because they no longer make the Tap, is the Echo Dot 2nd generation speaker dock. So there's a picture of it, and I'll put a picture over here as well. The cool thing about this is you actually take your Echo 2nd generation, you stick it inside this speaker, and then you can carry it with you. It doesn't have to be plugged in, and so it's a really good. I do have one on order. It was time to shoot the video. I will let you guys know how it sounds, but the Echo Tap sounds amazing, and I love the convenience of it's a smart speaker and I can talk to it. So there's a description down below of that, so you can definitely check that out. Hey guys, it's Future Editing Jackie, and just realized that I forgot to talk about the outdoor camera, and the one I absolutely love for you guys. I actually have it on my front door outside, but it actually is a wireless camera that you don't have to have a hub for. The only thing that you need is Wi-Fi. And so once you have your Wi-Fi, it connects to that. And the reason you need this for your hot tub is it's a little peace of mind that if, you get a notification if somebody is actually using your hot tub. But more importantly, like on my hot tub, there's a ready light. I'll show a picture of that right over here. Some future day when we get to travel again and it's December or January and I'm on a nice toasty beach somewhere and it's snowing and the blue light goes off on my hot tub and I can just check my phone, then I can just call back home and say, hey guys, well, I need somebody to go check on the hot tub. My service department would go take care of that in a heartbeat. Even if it's a neighbor or something like that, and you can put in your freeze guard protection kit, which you'll see later in the video. It's a really, really good idea to do it. This camera is fantastic. It literally, you hang it up and you mount it and you change the batteries every once in a while and it's good to go. Highly, highly, highly recommend that. Make sure that you do that. And hey guys, if you're getting any value at all out of this video, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, hit the subscribe button, do all the things that help me help you become a happy hot tub owner. Next thing I have is the Unbreakable wine glasses. And you guys, so this right here, this is a plastic wine glass. I mean, you can't do anything to this. I've had this, I bet, 10 years. It was the absolute first thing I bought as an accessory for my hot tub, but I've had these for a really long time. I do put them in the dishwasher. They go out to the hot tub with me. Sometimes I'll actually just drink my wine out of this glass versus a regular glass. I'm kind of a wine snob, and I do like the really thin rim, and that's what I love about these plastic glasses is they have a really thin rim. This is actually a glass, and you can see that it's got a thicker rim, and this is a real cheap one that I probably just bought at a local big box store. This will definitely break, and you do not want glass in your hot tub. These will not. I absolutely love these. Again, I'll show the picture of them and the description down below, but if you're looking for a way to have a nice glass of wine out there, I don't know. For me, I can't do the tumblers, and when I want wine, I want it in a stemware. But the cool thing about this company is they make them all. If you need a beer glass or a highball glass or a bourbon glass or whatever you're looking for, this company has them all in plastic, and they're really well made. So I highly recommend these. These are a really good thing. I have for you guys is privacy shades. And so back in my house in Sioux Falls, I actually had these. The cool thing about these is cold here, it snows, the wind blows like crazy. I have all my friends, or I've had a lot of buy a pergola, one of those tent pergolas that you can put up. The wind blows and it's wrecked, and you do that twice and you're like, I'm out. I'm not doing this anymore. We'll just figure it out. Well, these shades, you can actually, so they stand upright versus a vertical shade that's a roller shade that comes down. These shades go horizontal. And so you mount them into the ground, and then you mount another little spot for it to just sit in. So you open it while you're using the hot tub, gives you all the privacy, gives you the windbreak, but then when you're done, you roll it back up. It can snow, it can storm, it can do whatever, but nothing's going to happen to it. And they're so inexpensive, you guys. Like a corner unit, it's $200 and some odd compared to what it would cost you to do a lattice work or fence or something like that. I've had them. They worked fantastic. I really wish I would have took a picture when they were up at my house in Sioux Falls. Highly recommend them. You guys, these are absolutely amazing. If you're looking for some privacy, this is a good way to do. The next thing is the submersible pump. I have talked to you guys about this a lot. I absolutely hate draining the hot tub from the drain. It takes all day. And I hate getting down there and scraping my knuckles, getting the hose hooked up, all that stuff. But this guy here, I'm going to grab it for you here real quick. This guy here is awesome. I don't know if you can see all that. The trick to this is this big 2-inch hose. This guy right there, you just roll it out into the yard. I do drain my hot tubs right out into the yard. And you throw this in the tub while the water's running, or while it's full of water, turn the breakers off. I timed it last time. It took me 32 minutes to drain my 500-gallon hot tub with just this pump. I didn't do anything else. So it was awesome. The only reason it took that long was because the hose popped off. That is an absolute must-have. If you don't buy, actually there's one more on here that you absolutely must buy. So this is the number 2 item that you should get, but it is the Professional Easy Travel Collection Submersible Pump with a 25-inch water hose. The trick is that hose. If you just hook up a garden hose to it, which you can do, it's gonna go as fast. So make sure you get the big 2-inch heavy duty hose. You don't want to get one of the really cheap plastic ones because those do rip and tear, and you're rolling this up quite a bit. So highly recommend that. The next thing I have is the bucket heater. Now this is the number 1 thing you need to buy, and you need to buy it now because it's on sale. It's actually like $47 now at the time of shooting. Last year when I did the last video about how to protect your hot tub in the winter, it was like over $100. So now is the time to buy that. So buy that in the summer, but you take that submersible bucket heater, you stick it inside of a 5-gallon bucket. If your hot tub freezes up, your filters are dirty and it trips the breaker and that type of thing, you just plug that in and you set that whole bucket inside of the hot tub, and it'll save your hot tub. It'll save you tens of thousands of dollars if you do that. So buy it now while it's on sale, keep it in the garage, peace of mind. And I would also add maybe a little space heater, but that's your winter survival kit. But you definitely want to buy that now, and that'll help you. That'll definitely help you as well. I'm thirsty. Here's my little bonus one. This water bottle. This is my absolute favorite water bottle because it tells me where I need to be. I've had a lot of water bottles. This one is absolutely my favorite. I'll link it down below too. It's not really part of the hot tub accessories, but it's pretty awesome. It fits in my drink holder on my really long commute, which you guys all are aware that I have. Anyway, the next item I have is the no peeing in the hot tub sign. I found this one. I'm going to link it right over here. It's great. It's a great sign. I almost think I'm going to buy it. I'll put a picture of the one that my neighbors actually got me for Christmas last year, but you don't think that you need to mention it, but you need to mention it. And this is a really cute way of crossing that bridge. And so you don't want them to pee in your hot tub. So it's fun, it works, it's cheap, and it's cute. So put it out by the hot tub. It'll make a difference. I promise you, it'll definitely make a difference. It's a cute sign, and it'll save you a lot of money in the long run because you're not going to go through as much chemical. Towel warmer. This thing, you guys, I just got this. It looks like a little towel or little hamper. I actually set mine right inside the door. I was going to set it outside, and I think I might during the winter months, but we always take just one step in the sliding glass door, and then that towel warmer's ready to go. It is plugged in, and I have it full at all times. I even got Frank to do laundry. Look at that, and he's putting it away. But you just hit the button. When you head out to the hot tub, by the time you get done, you got this nice warm towel, and I didn't think I needed it. I need it. It's totally awesome, and you have to have it. So splurge, take care of yourself, and get one of those. They're pretty awesome to have. And then the other thing that I've mentioned many times is the on-the-go water softener. If you have, I don't know if you guys can see this thing here. If you have a saltwater system, you absolutely have to get this thing. It'll change your life, and you only have to buy it once, and it'll keep your water soft. I have a couple of hacks that you can do that you can soften that water without having to buy other items such as the vanishing act or that type of thing. So you don't have to buy it one time. Your salt cells will last longer if your water's in the perfect condition. So it is a money saver in the long run. Really important that you have one of those. I'll link that down below. You can also get those at your local dealer. If you just want to buy one from Amazon, I'll have that link right down below. And then the last thing I got, this is my favorite. This is the All-Star. Are these, I don't even get paid for these. I just think they're so cool. This is the aluminum. It's actually aluminum solo. It's not a solo cup, but it reminds me of but it's a disposable cup. But this thing, you guys, keeps your drinks so cold. Even if you don't have a hot tub, you need this. This is absolutely amazing. You put it in, you just put ice in it, and it just, oh my gosh, it's like having a little mini Yeti that you don't care if you lose or not. But they come in a box of 30. They are amazing, and they're inexpensive. At the time of this, they were on sale for like $19. This cup here, my neighbor brought over to me. She's like, oh, you got to try these. I fell in love with them. This is still the cup that she gave me. It says you're not supposed to put them in the dishwasher, but I've put this through the dishwasher probably 7 or 8 times. I've had this one for 2 months now. You know, if it any other cup I would have thrown away, but I just think it is so cool, and it's plastic. It can't get glass in the tub. Keeps your drinks really cold. I love it. I think everybody needs it. Question of the day. What of these accessories do you already have? What do you plan on purchasing? And what other accessories did I miss that you think I should talk about? Guys, I think you are the best. I love you to death. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there. I was actually right that time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell. And as always, that was actually the doorbell that rang. Don't forget to ring the bell, and as always, I love you, and keep making life epic.